When we look at our spreadsheets, we often use colors for additional context. Function by color is a special tool that will help you digest this information and perform color-based calculations. It comes as a part of Power Tools as well as a standalone add-on. Let's look at a quick example. Here I'd like to sum up the test results based on color. I'll go to Add-ons and start Function by Color or Power Tools. And then I'll use a shortcut here at the top to open Function by Color. First, I'll select the range with colored cells I wish to summarize. Then I pick the first color I want to count. I care only about the fill color here, but you can consider font color as well. There are all possible ways to define it. Choose it from the drop-down list, enter its code, but perhaps the easiest one is just pointing to a cell. Next, I choose the function to apply. One thing to keep in mind, though, is if you want to count cells with text, go for the Count A function. Now I'll pick the first cell to paste the result. The default way to count is the entire range, of course, but what I need now is check the results in each section of the test. Look at this arrow below the field. It will open up a couple of additional options. One will make it easier if you perform the same calculations in every column or in every row. So I will choose each column and thus pick the row for the results. When you work with multiple colors, use the last box to apply the pattern cell color to the results, so you can see what it actually counts right away. So all I have left to do is click Insert function and get the count. To do the same for all red cells, I simply pick a new color and the destination and click the button. There is one thing to keep in mind though: when you come back to your spreadsheets and you update only colors in your range, the calculation results are not updated. They can only change with values. That said, it can be easily resolved. You can simply update a value or use this Refresh Results option in the Quick Access bar. If you'd like to use color in your calculations, go to Add-ons, get Add-ons to open Google Workplace Marketplace and install Function by Color or Power Tools add-on. And feel free to contact us with any questions. We're happy to help.